Hi friends, in this video I will show you the difference between a ceramic and a terracotta. Though both are made from clay, the main difference is in the manufacturing process, in the heating process. The vessels on this side are made up of ceramic, and these pots, this glass, these are made up of terracotta. I was not clear unless I saw them in my hands. I put them in my hands. What is the difference? This terracotta is porous in nature. Okay, there are small pores inside from which water comes out, and water in this thing remains cool. Okay, so these are ideal for storing water because water inside these remains cool and it tastes fantastic. These are ideal for cooking. They are also called flamewares. They can tolerate high heat temperatures, high heat variations, because they are non-porous. Okay, you can see the texture is completely non-porous. Yeah, so they are ideal for cooking. Ceramic is formed when you fire clay at a higher temperature than terracotta. Terracotta is formed when you heat the clay at around 1000 degrees Celsius, but ceramic need much greater input, around 1300 degrees. You need a temperature of more than 1300 degrees Celsius for forming this ceramic. So a greater energy input is given to form ceramic from clay than a terracotta. Yeah, this is a teapot made of ceramic. This is a glass made of terracotta. This is a pot for storing my water. I carry this pot with me. See, you can see the texture. Cookwares made up of terracotta are easily available in the market. If you go to a pottery shop, they will show you cookwares made up of terracotta, but these are not easily available in the market. Yeah. If you try to cook in vessels made up of terracotta, they may not sustain heat, so they can break easily when you cook at a high flame, and also it is difficult to wash because the food enters into this porous material and it is difficult to clean. The food remains here in this porous material, and if you don't use for some days, the fungus will form on this. So these are not ideal for cooking, but they are ideal for storing drinking water. So I use them for storing my water, drinking water, and these are ideal for cooking. Completely non-porous and very easy to clean. I want to show you in the close-up. this is a chamcha, ladle made of ceramic. Okay, you can see the texture. So don't before buying, don't get confused between a ceramic vessel cookware and a terracotta cookware. Generally, when it comes to cost, these you can find at a lower cost than these. These are little costly because the energy input required to manufacture these products is higher than coming to the strength of ceramic is higher than the strength of terracotta. They can break easily. They are also breakable. It falls from a height. Even ceramic breaks, but the strength of ceramic is higher than the strength of terracotta. Even the sound of terracotta is different. Thank you for watching this video.